Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Tsania You can call me Miss Tsania. Here, I would like to introduce learning media that I created to fulfill the assignment in teaching media for young learner course with Miss Ika Sulistyarini as a lecturer. This time, I would like to explain about my media, including identity, material needed, how to make, and how to implementation. The first is identity. This learning media is called FamilyWell. FamilyWell is a learning media used to teach my family material to children at first grade elementary school. The objective of this media is that students able to learn vocabulary about family easily in the basic vocabulary discipline level. How to apply this media is by turning the well and then guessing the picture at the starting point. Whether the student answers are correct or not can be seen on this roll of paper. The second is material needed. Before we start playing this media, let's see what material are needed to make this media. Among them are cardboard, origami paper, double tip, paperboard, skewers, paper glue, hot glue gun, bulb, ruler, color maker, pencil, eraser, cutter, scissor, spinner, screwdriver, straw, and the last is printout of the image. The third is how to make. After all the materials are collected, let's see how to make this learning media. For the process of making this media, I'll explain it by pointing to the part that I mean. Although I don't explain the process by demonstrating them one by one, but I'll try to explain them well. Okay, prepare all the material that I've mentioned. First, we would like to make the well. After that, we start by cutting the cardboard in the shape of a cube into 4 parts, including the right, left, front, and back side. Take the biggest side and shape it into a circle, measuring using a bowl. For circle size, it can be adjusted as needed. For the circle I made, I measured it with the largest bowl size, like this. Paperboard. Okay, then take the paperboard and cut it to the size of the circle. Then stick the cardboard to paperboard with a double tape. This one is cardboard and then this one is paperboard. Later, take the side of the middle circle of the spinner, this one, to put it on the front of the circle. While on the spinner body, attach it to the back of the circle, like that. This one is spinner, body spinner. Give a bolt to tighten between the front and rear spindle to clamp the circle of the well. This one is a bolt. Second, we would like to make the media body. This one is media body. This one. Take one side of the cardboard and use it as a base for media. This one is base from cardboard. And after that, glue the base and the media body with hot glue. This one and this one. Third, we would like to make the media body buffer. This one. Then, take the remaining cardboard available. Form the cardboard into 3 right triangles to buffer the media from the right, left, and this one is back. After that, attach the triangle to the 3 sides of the body with the hot glue. like that, with glue. This one, and the last, this one. Later, attach the body part to the well. Body part to the well, so that the well can be played like this. Fourth, we would like to make the object as the stopping point of the image. This is take piece of the cardboard for base and the body of the object. This one is base, and this one is body. As a buffer of the object, we will make a right triangles like this, in back side, triangles. Then, glue the buffer to the body of the object with glue like this. Then, glue the buffer to the body of the object. Take the cardboard, long piece of cardboard as a stopping point for the object, and then attach it with the glue like that. This is a stopping point. The last step is to attach the printed paper that has been prepared to the well. This one, printout of the image. After that, stick the paper family well with a skewer. This one, with a skewer, and stick it on the cardboard base, like that. Then, cut the origami paper into 4 pieces, and write the family names in English and each translation. This one, for example, this one is origami paper. Write family names in English and its translation. Then roll the paper. Provide a straw and cut into small pieces to hold the paper roll. This is the straw for the hold the paper roll. After everything is done, we'll decorate the stopping object. We bag with stopping object. Here, I will paste the family picture according to the dome that I cut. This one is family picture related to them that I cut. Add love as a stop row. This one is love at stop row. And decorate with flower and cloth to make look colorful, like that. There is rainbow. And finally, family well learning media is ready to use. This is for stopping media. By turning the well and gazing the picture at the stopping point with the answer in this roll paper. Okay, the fourth is how to implementation. In implementing this media, I implemented 2 activities in learning, among them group work and individual work. Okay, I'll explain group work activities first. For the first step, the teacher will divide the student in the class into some group. Second, the teacher will ask questions by asking, who is he? or who is he? To the whole of the group after periodically turning the family well. Third, each time the well stopped, each group that can answer will raise their hand while shouting their group's name. For example, the group is divided into A, B, and C. Then, they will shout the name of their respective group and teacher will choose among them is fastest, like A, B, or C. Then, the selected group will guess the picture in English and its translation, and the teacher will guide them so that they guess with the correct pronunciation. For example, the teacher spin the wheel. Then, hear the student answer. After that, the teacher can see in this roll of paper, whether their answer is right or wrong. For example, is this one. This arrow to this picture, and the answer we can see in this roll of paper. Example, the student say, this picture is mother, and teacher will see on this roll paper, and the answer is right, mother, ibu. Finally, for group who successfully answer will receive a star reward that has been provided. This is the group that get the most star will be the winner in this class. The next activity is individual work. The way of implementation different from the previous activity. In this individual work, all students will compete quickly to guess the picture on the media to compete for the reward. Second, the teacher will ask about who will come to the front of the class by raising their hand, because the fastest student will be chosen to advance to guess the picture. Third, there will be 3 students selected. Each student selected will be asked to guess 3 times. By the ruler, every 1 round, the students are asked to guess the picture at the point where the picture will stop with the question, who is he or who is he? Fourth, the teacher will give students time to guess the picture with the correct pronunciation in English vocabulary and its translation as a measure of understanding after they work in groups. As example, in the previous group work, it just the activity are now carried out individually. The teacher will spin like that and then see the correct answer in the roll of paper. This one is roll of paper. From this roll of paper, the teacher can see whether the answer is right or wrong. The answer is correct is older brother, kakak laki-laki. Then, after the students are given 3 chances to guess the picture, the teacher will correct the answer if any. For students who can guess a picture correctly, they will be rewarded with a medal sticker with a star, like this, just for 3 students, so that they can learn with enthusiasm and of course have fun. Well, from identity, then the material are needed, how to make and how to implementation the media are part of the learning media that I created to make it easier for teachers to teach children, especially in teaching my family material. I hope it can be useful. That's enough from my explanation about family well media. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.